Dear children, welcome to first chapter of 9th class. Today we are going to study very important questions and these three questions. Please be careful and see here very carefully. See, first question is find three rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Second question is find four rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 4 by 5. Third question is find four rational numbers between 1 by 5 and 1 by 6. All these three questions I have selected because all these three questions are a little different from each other. So let us start question number 1. Dear children, we have to find three rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5, and this is the easiest question out of these three. Why it is easiest? Because here the denominators are same. Dear children, if the denominators are same, then you are the winner and you can solve it very easily. So I have selected this as first question. So see how to solve this type of questions. If the denominator you are having same, see 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. You will write as it is like 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Now dear children, see how many rational numbers we have to find? 3. 3 rational numbers we have to find. So first of all we will multiply by 10 to numerator and denominator. See 3 by 5, 4 by 5. Here multiply by 10, here also multiply by 10. Then what we are getting? Here it becomes 30, here it becomes 50. So this 3 by 5 rational number has been converted into another form. This is 30 by 50, but same rational number. This is equal to this. The rational number is not changing, but only the denominator and numerator are changing, and this is the same. So 3 by 5 becomes 30 by 50, and 4 by 5 becomes 40 by 50. Now see, we can have a look on number line. You can draw it in exam also, so that it is very clear to you. See, and smaller number you write left side and greater number you write right side. So this is the number line 3 by 5, and here it is 4 by 5, and I have put here distance here so that you can find these three rational numbers. See, 3 by 5 is nothing but 30 by 50, and here 4 by 5 is nothing but 40 by 50, because we have shown here both are equal. See, 30 by 50, here 40 by 50. Now you have to think about this 30 and 40. Suppose this is 30 and 40, like this. Think for some time. So between 30 and 40, you can write here many numbers on the number line, and write after 30, 31, 32, 33, you can write 34, 35, 36, like that, and you can go up to 39. So out of these numbers you will select any three numbers, because question is three rational numbers you have to find. So we can write here 31 by 50, 32 by 50, 33 by 50. Up to 39 by 50 you select any three numbers. The answers of different children can be different. So you have to select out of these any three, and you will write thus three rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 are 31 by 50, 32 by 50, 33 by 50. One child will like this. Another one can select other three also. You can write any three. Is it clear? Okay. Now coming to question number 2. Find four rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 4 by 5. See, why it is difficult? Because these denominators are different. This is 3 and this is 5. Here in previous question both were same. So our process will change. 1 by 3, 4 by 5. If the denominators are not same, then dear children, you will find the LCM of 3 and 5. LCM 3 and 5, and we can find LCM of 3 by 5 as 3 into 5, 15. This it is up to you how to find this one. It is not necessary to show there. You can show also, you cannot show also, no problem. So you have to write here. See, in between you leave the gap, and you will write here this 15. See, here and here as denominator you have to write the 15. How it has been written here? because 15 is the LCM of these 3 and 5, denominators of these two rational numbers. So 3 and 5 LCM is 15, 15. You write just 15, 15 as it is here. After that you think here is 5 and you have written here 15. So how we can get 15? So you write here 5 into 3, because 5 3 is 15. And here you have to think 3 is here and we have written 15. So how it can become 3 into 5? And always you have to multiply with some numbers and it will be coming to you. It will come to your mind what you should write here. And whatever you write here, in the here also you have to multiply to numerator the same number. So this 5 and this 5 same. Here this and this same. So to numerator also multiply by 3. And 4 3 is 12. 1 into 5 5. So 5 by 15 and 12 by 15. So dear children, this number has been converted into 5 by 15 and this number has been converted into 12 by 15. So let us write it. Okay. So we write here 1 by 3 here, this number first number, and 4 by 5 here. We have written. So dear children, 1 by 3 is here and 1 by 3 we have converted into 5 by 15. So this is 1 by 3, 5 by 15, same thing. And here 4 by 5 we have converted into 12 by 15. So this is 4 by 5 and this is as well as 12 by 15, same thing. So this number is 1 by 3, 4 by 5, or this is 5 by 15 or 12 by 15. Now see 5 by 50 and 12 by 15. Dear children, 5 by 15 and 12 by 15. This is becoming like question number 1 because denominator is same. So after 5 and 12 you can write many numbers, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 like this. And this will be the, out of this you have to select 4 rational numbers because you have to find 4 rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 4 by 5. So you will select any 4 out of this. See, 6 by 15 up to 11 by 15. You select any 4 and write down the answer. That the 4 rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 4 by 5 are this. Any 4 you will select from here and that will be your answer. Now coming to question number 3. Find 4 rational numbers between 1 by 5 and 1 by 6. Dear children, see, this is a little different from previous 2 questions. A little different. See, you will see here 1 by 5, 1 by 6. Again 5 and 6, these two are different. So we will first find the LCM of 5 and 6. And 5 and 6 LCM is 5 6 is 30. You know this. So you will write here 30. 30 here. This is here. So this is 5 and you have to write here 30. So how to write 30? 5 into 6 is equal to 30. And here 30 and this is 6. 6 you will write 30. 6 to be converted into 30. How? Multiplying by 5. So this becomes 30, 30, and here also whatever you are writing here 5, the same number you have to multiply in the numerator also, and here same number to the numerator also. So 1 into 6, 1 into 5. So 6 by 30 and 5 by 30 you are getting. So after that you will show it on the number line. See, 1 by 6 and 1 by 5. Since 1 by 6 is smaller than 1 by 5, so we have taken it on the left side and 1 by 5 to the right side. See, 1 by 6 is 5 by 30. See, 1 by 6 is 5 by 30 and 1 by 5 is 6 by 30. So dear children, now see, this is same 30 30, but 5 and 6, between this you cannot see any number. So going to next step, you have to make it larger, a little larger. So how to make it a little larger? This question is different than previous 2 questions. So Again you will multiply here by 10. Dear children, 6 by 30, 5 by 30. You have to multiply by 10 because it is very easy to multiply by 10. So we are taking 10. In all questions, if you are doing like this, you will take 10 only. Okay. So you can take other numbers also, but we are here taking here 10. Into 10 here, into 10 here, into 10 here, into 10 here. Then this becomes 60 by 300 and this becomes 50 by 300. Now, so these numbers here. Now, see, dear children, you can skip this in exam by writing. I am just explaining it, the process. So we have shown here. But in exam, don't show this one, directly show this one. This is only to understand. This is the different question from other two. So see here, 5 by 30, 6 by 30. We have seen here, but this is not going to give you other rational numbers between this one. And the question was, see, 4 rational numbers you have to find. See, 4 rational numbers you have to find. So for that, what we have done, we have multiplied by 10 to numerator and denominator. So it is 60 by 300. This is 50 by 300. Now see, this is 50 by 300. This is 60 by 300. Now same these two places on the number line. So between 50 by 300 and 60 by 300, now we can take many numbers. See, 51 by 300, 52 by 300, up to you can go 59 by 300, and out of these you can select any 4 rational numbers as given in the question. So you select any 4, and I have selected here 51 by 300, 52 by 300, 53 by 300, 54 by 300. You can select any 3 or 4. Here 4 rational numbers. So any 4 you will have to select, and like this you will get the answer. Okay. All the best. Revise it and solve it in your notebook. Thank you.